need to solve a seemingly simple detection application but feel overwhelmed at the decision of which sensor options may be the best? With the new W10 photoelectric sensor, SICK has solved sensor indecision. The W10 eliminates the need to stack multiple sensors and reduces the risk of inconsistent detection results. Engineers and buyers no longer need to stress with how many sensor variants are needed to solve an application. The sensor solves the spares, stocking, and setup headaches by solving hundreds of different presence detection tasks in various factory automation applications. The W10 offers a unique and intuitive user experience that requires no user manual. The easy-to-use touchscreen and user-friendly operation provide a quick and confident setup experience directly after unboxing. Once set up, it provides amazing sensor performance with ultra-reliable detection thanks to the state-of-the-art technology combined with powerful onboard processing. The different operating modes and configurations ensure that the sensor can be adapted to specific requirements quickly, providing the best possible performance in countless applications. The W10 is easy to use, delivers reliable object detection results, and can be easily adapted to specific applications. It is the one sensor for any detection application.